What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have a line laser level. Now, this is not just any regular line level. This is a 16 line laser level, you guys. So we should be able to get a whole bunch of done in different points of views. Now, before I unbox this thing, I just want to show y'all something real quick. Right there, so you don't have to ask. All right, so let's go ahead and unbox this thing, you guys. A lot of people ask me almost on the daily, is this product from China? I don't even know where y'all want the products from because America don't want to make products no more. So with that being said, most of your products is made in China. So if you got a problem with products made in China, you might as well empty out everything in your house because more than likely it's made in China or some other country or foreign land. So anyways, going on with business. Now, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. I don't even know what the heck is in here because this seems like a lot for just the line level and the little bit of stuff that comes with it. So let's go ahead and get into it. And wow, this thing looked like a studio kit. This is insane. Look at this. Wow. So right here, and this is big, you guys. Like my other laser level is like peons compared to this. If I could find it, I would try to do like a little comparison. It looks like a battery hookup or something right here. Now this is fresh out the box, you guys. We didn't look at instructions yet. Right now we're just going to get into the unboxing and check this thing out. But wow, this looks slick. You have this little stand right there. We'll figure out what everything is, you guys, once we're done. Got another connector here. This is a magnet. Okay. All right. All right. That's good. That's good. Some aluminum. This is aluminum. Don't know what it's for yet, but we will figure it out. All right. So here goes the battery. Nice, nice, nice. All right. And here goes the charger. Charger wire. What else we have? Hopefully I remember how to put everything back in here. Hopefully I remember how to put everything back in. So it looks like another connector, remote. We have a bracket. So I'm pretty sure you can screw the bracket up and there you go. Nice. Okay. Pretty strong too. This is a plus, you guys. 2 batteries with this thing. Wow. And of course you get the user's manual. All right, so we installed the battery. Now we have off and on. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on. All right, so if it's beeping, that means, of course, it's not level. And I like that it makes a beep sound. My other one don't make a beep sound, it just, now I'm leveled by my hand. But this is nice, you guys. Now I'm going to go ahead and put it here. I actually like the light being green, okay? The red light that I have on my other one is kind of, well, now you could see the line, so that's pretty cool. You have a button here, and it looks like power on and off. Now, it's not really a button. It's kind of like, it's touch sensitive. So, of course, all right, how you turn this? Let me turn this thing off real quick. All right, so right here, the buttons are touch sensitive. They're not really buttons, it's like built in. So once you touch it, it goes. So let me turn it back on. All right, so right now we're going, all right, right now it's going around. Let me see if I could change it. That's cool. So now you see a double line right there. All right, and I'll get more in depth on why do you need to do all that stuff and blah, blah, blah. But right now I'm just showing you this. Now you got vertical. So you have two horizontals right here, and then we have one vertical. I'm gonna hit vertical again. So it went vertical the other way. All right, hit vertical again. So you can have vertical going 4 different ways. This is insane. This is insane. I like it. I love it. All right, I'm gonna hit horizontal again, and horizontal. Now I have my center mark of where I want to be. So this would have been nice when I was doing my vinyl floor upstairs, but anyways, I got the job done. So that's all over with now, but I will be needing this in the future because, or, you know, I know somebody that can use this as well, but I would like to use this in the future because I plan on doing floor work on the main level of the house. I want to do vinyl through the whole house. I love vinyl floors, you guys. The vinyl floors is so easy to install and it looks good when it's done. All right, so let me go ahead. I'm gonna try to find like cool ways to set this up, and then, you know, we can finalize a review. But once again, you can put this up on the wall and boom, right there. And we'll see how strong the magnet is once we have this up. All right, but it seems strong enough to hold this level. All right, so that's cool. So you have your horizontal right here, and then your vertical is right here, just to let y'all know that. And that should be it, you guys. Let me go ahead, set this up, and I'll show y'all some cool ways on how I installed my recessed lights and stuff like that. So y'all can, if you want to remodel, then you will kind of get an idea of how to do something. So let me clean this up a little bit, and then we can go ahead and start setting up.